Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set up your Etsy shop. So first of all guys, I will need you to go to your devices and then open your browser. So for me, I'm going to use my Google Chrome browser. Now, I will go ahead and search for Etsy and I will write here shop, and here I will just go to this and click on it. So let me just go here. Let me just close this, sign in, and as you can see here, there's the register. So I will click on register and continue with Google account, just like that. As you can see, now it will start directing me into my account. So now if I go to my account, you will see everything that has something related to your profile. So basically to start your shop, you just have to click on sell on Etsy, and then here we'll click on, for example, so as you can see, here is what you can do, create value, powerful tools, etc. So here I will just have to click on get started. Let's do this. Here you will show what brings you to Etsy, mainly here to explore. Next, here is there anything you'd like help with, shop name, branding, telling what to sell, etc. Well, you should have, you should just answer whatever question you like, or just skip the question. So next, start your shop. Now, let's do this. Now, we have to shop language. Choose a shop country in shop currency. So, after you choose that, go next. Shop name. So, for example, Lolly Shop. Now, I will go here, save and continue, or just like that. Looks like, okay, Lolly Shop Studio. Stock your shop, primary photo, something like that. You have to put like your product, etc. And here you put the video of your product if you want to. Basically here you put your listing details and you fill all of these informations. After you fill all of that, you just have to click and save and continue. And here you put your payment, so your bank account. And just like that, you will have your shop security in the end, and just like that, you will create your first shop in Etsy, guys. So that was it, guys, with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.